Add the ingredients. Egg, sugar, milk, butter, flour. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Blue icing. Add your favorite toppings. Sparklers. Chocolate cookies. Umbrella. Add your favorite toppings. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Chocolate sprinkles. Candies. Candies. Strawberry. Sprinkles. Sprinkles.